पकड़ ठीक है जल्दी नहीं है बस इन लोगों को बोलो बाबर करते रहे हम बाबर को 40 ओवर खिला देंगे शाबाश पाकिस्तान आउट हो जाएंगे बॉयज कम ऑन लेट्स चौधरी आराम से बेटा जल्दी नहीं बहुत टाइम है टाइम लेके बेटा शाबाश
Very important that Sufyan Mukim understands that he's got a very important role to play. He's the specialist spinner in the side. So when you're a specialist spinner, you surely have to bowl your quota of 10 overs.
But Yasir needs to be sensible. He's got to 41. He's got to make this one count.
अल्लाह की कसम Oh my word!
Oh my word, Sarfaraz, thanks for doing the commentary for us.
Yes, so we have the third English partner now available.
Dilani, shabash.
Yeah, kept a touch low.
Yourself!
So one can tell they've done well, and courtesy to some good fielding also. This was a good effort. Both spinners, Qasim Akram and Sufyan Mukim, bowling good in tandems. They've been very, very good with the line and length.
He's on your screen. Sarfaraz Ahmed inducted into the... is playing it off the pitch. Just waiting it, going deep into the crease. After getting a wicket to his name. Oh, just comes in slightly. Yeah, trying to work that around a third man for a single.
They'll have to do it all over again. This partnership.
False start, somebody moving around behind the bowler's arm. Well, while this is a slight stop, congratulations to you, Ali. Congratulations to the nation. Pakistan won their match yesterday in Multan, beating South Africa. It was a good game all round. Pakistan seemed like a more superior side. Great captaincy by Fatma Sana. Some brave decisions and very well done as a team. There is protection there for that cut shot.
Absolutely. I think a great win for Pakistan yesterday.
Boys, come on, let's!
Few worries also, as far as I am concerned, going into the World Cup.
Nice and straight within the stumps to the new batter.
चलो boys. एक दो विकेटों की बात है, let's come on boys. सारे उठ के let's come on boys. Come on.
Blue World City.
Oh wow, pitch of a delivery to Hussain Talat. Could not carry with that throttle to Sarfaraz, but it had struck Sarfaraz.
Hit Sarfaraz on the second bounce. Probably was a slow delivery from Mir Hamza. Sarfaraz has used his bowlers brilliantly.
Yeah, these days, these batters have to got their work cut out, because that option of going during this middle phase or the later part of the innings, that how you're going after the bowlers and how to pick up specific set of bowlers against which you can go big and take your share of.
सही है बेटा ठीक है बेटा
Full toss, got away with it.
ठीक है मेरी जान शाबाश
Babar Azam was waiting for that opportunity.
बेटा टाइट रख कोई बात नहीं बेटा ठीक है
Made full use of the crease and the width on offer. And perfect execution. The bat came downstairs into the gap, safe as you like.
ये करता रहा ये बेटा ये easy टाइगर easy
Sarfaraz like that. You're talking about this middle phase. Babar Azam drops it onto his feet and then holds the ball to give it back to Fahim Ashraf. Sarfaraz send him a quick reminder. Babar Azam, we're here to do the fielding, not you. All smiles. Australians really do mind that. They will tell you in no uncertain ways that they are here to field, so stay away from that ball.
Yeah, well ball. Ball!
This looks like trouble.
आखिरी अच्छा करना है,
2
ये
more
है,
balls
ठीक
to
है।
go.
शाबाश शाबाश विकेट मिल जाएगा अच्छा हो
Can he
जाएगा।
inflict one more?
इसका एक बाकी है।
Again, there is a problem.
जा मेरी जा।
We're
मैं
talking
बोल रहा था
about
इसके 3 है।
the number of fielders again.
या तो मेरी बात सुनो या तो एक ये हो सकता है।
What's the issue here? You got 4 in the circle, something else that is being discussed.
We saw Misbah-ul Haq all his career with a wristwatch, and watching it so many times, Sarfaraz doesn't look very pleased, and there is no watch with South Shakil.
Now the umpire has called the fielding captain towards himself, and now he's told him it's okay. Gone. The minute it got that edge, it's impossible for this man to drop it.
Yes, well taken, was on his left. Wickets are falling, and Stallions, well, once again, see that movement from Sarfaraz, made it look really easy. This one is hit to mid-wicket, and there is a fielder, and the throw is long. It's coming back, and but it's not great. And Mir Hamza,
That Umar Amin will throw at the striker's end.
well, he goes, he's going to look for 2 again. Sarfaraz is looking for the throw, which is not where it was supposed to be. Another couple. So is it going to be a marathon 100 where he's going to run to it? And well bowled once again, and Babar will look for 2. This is driven in the gap. Umar Amin covers up, and surely this will be 2 runs. So 271 will be the final total for Stallions. And courtesy Babar's 100, one man puts a grind and the team gets to a decent total. And this is what the batters have to learn. Crowd must be happy. They have seen their hero come in and deliver for them. 104 of 100 balls, not out is Babar Azam. So 45 runs in the last 5 overs. Courtesy a set better, playing through the innings and getting his side to a total which is very fightable.